such a delight. We call it the king of fruits. That's right. S is for strawberry. S is for strawberry. Tiny and red, with little seeds on its soft head. In cakes or shakes, it's always best. C is for cherry, shiny and small, hanging in pairs like a cute red ball. They're sweet and juicy, loved by all. P is for peach. P is for peach. Soft like a hug. It grows on trees and loves the sun's tug. A fuzzy fruit you'll want to snug. B is for banana. B is for banana. Yellow and long. It gives you strength and keeps you strong. Peel and eat, you can't go wrong. P is for coconut. C is for coconut. Hard on the shell. Inside it hides a drink so well. From sandy shores it comes to tell. G is for grapes, purple or green, hanging in bunches, shiny and clean. So sweet and round, they're a fruity dream. O is for orange, juicy and bright, full of vitamin C. It's a delight. Sip the juice or take a bite. K is for kiwi. K is for kiwi.